Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Ads account access using MCC step by step clearly. To authorize Google Ads account access using your MCC, first, log into your Google Ads Manager account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab found in the left-hand menu. In the Accounts section, click on the plus icon to add a new account. Select the Link Existing Account option from the drop-down menu. Next, enter the customer ID of the account you wish to link. Verify that you have the correct customer ID to ensure a successful link. Check the Access Level drop-down to choose the level of access you want to provide. Consider if you want the other account to have standard or administrative access. Once you have made your selections, click on Send Invitation. An invitation will now be sent to the account holder of the linked account. The account holder will need to log into their Google Ads account. They should then head to the Tools menu located at the top of the page. From the Tools menu, select Account Access under the Setup column. The invitation will appear in their account under the Invitations tab. They must click on Accept to finalize the access authorization. Upon acceptance, you will receive a notification confirming that the account is now linked. Now, you can manage the linked account through your MCC. Ensure to double-check the access levels to maintain appropriate control. That's how you authorize Google Ads account access using MCC step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.